Does your real estate agent make house calls? Because I do when necessary. So here's a story time. So yesterday I ended up being at my client's house for a couple of hours because there was a repair need that popped up. And she explained it to me on the phone, and I said, it's absolutely 100% got to be the condensation line from your central air. How did I know this? It's based on my own personal experience with my property, as well as those of my clients. And my great inspectors and repair people have taught me many things. And so I went to her house, and I waited there until my repair guy could show up. And sure enough, 100%, it was definitely the condensation line. Another step that I had taken before the repair person showed up was to walk around the exterior of the home, locate where the condensation line was, and identify whether or not it was properly draining. And when I looked at it, I realized that it was not properly draining. And that's how we were able to get it assessed. So if you are a current homeowner and you weren't my client previously, I highly encourage you to become my client, because I am present for you to assist you with various things, not only with a vendor network that I can refer you to, but also with the knowledge base that I just explained, being able to have that experience. And also going forward, whenever you are ready to make another real estate decision, you'll already have my contact details and we'll already have a relationship established. For those of you who are potential home buyers, what that means is it's very important to have an agent like me on your side. So if you're in my service area, give me a call. And if you're not in my service area, reach out to me, because I very likely have someone that I can refer you to close to you in your state. So going back to this story, when it comes to situations like this where you have a repair need, what do I do to take the extra step? Not only my additional knowledge, but also making sure that my clients have a home warranty with American Home Shield or their preferred warranty of choice, and also making sure they have the Front Door app, which is a new feature that I gifted to this client, so that going forward, she knows how to easily access a contractor on her phone by video chat who can help her diagnose things in the event that I'm not maybe immediately available. And besides that, I'm not a contractor. It just so happened I had the right knowledge and experience for this situation, but there could have been a situation where I didn't. And having the Front Door app is a major step toward knowing that you have someone on your side who can identify things like that. Some people may say, well, that's a reason why I think I want to stay renting. Well, here's the issue with renting. Things are still going to happen with the property that you rent. And while you think that the property owner is always going to attend to things properly, they may or may not. And even if the current one does, at some point in the future, they may sell to someone who doesn't take care of the property properly. And also because life can be life. And so what if something goes on in that property owner's life and they're not capable or able to bring that energy to being attentive to the property? So there's a benefit of home ownership because things are going to happen. Life is going to life. And little things like this, because it's not a major repair, it is simple to fix. Little things like knowing that you can call someone like me or use the Front Door app and be able to get access to the information you need at the beginning is major. You can save all the trouble. It is a low, simple cost repair. If she uses the home warranty, she's able to get it repaired and only pay her copay, essentially. There's a service fee that you pay. I call it a copay because it's similar to copay in insurance. But that's the kind of protection. You know that when a repair does happen, it's done properly. And number two, that it's cost efficient and doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. So be sure to hit me up if you're interested in learning more.